Big Dog, Little Dog by PD Eastman. Fred and Ted were friends. Fred was big, Ted was little. When they walked in the rain, Fred was wet and Ted was dry. When they painted the house, Fred used green paint, Ted used red. One day, Fred and Ted went away in their cars. Ted drove his red car fast. Fred drove his green car slow. They came to a sign. "Where should we go?" asked Fred. "To the mountains," said Ted. When they got to the mountains, Ted skied all day long. Fred skated all day long. By night, both of them were very sleepy. "Look," said Fred, "a small hotel." Fred's room was upstairs. Ted's room was downstairs. "Good night, Ted. Sleep well," said Fred. "Good night, Fred. Sleep well," said Ted. But they did not sleep well. Upstairs, Fred thumped and bumped and tossed and turned. Downstairs, Ted moaned and groaned and crashed and thrashed all over the bed. The next morning, Fred said, "My bed is too little." "My bed is too big," said Ted. "I know what to do," said the bird. Ted should sleep upstairs and Fred should sleep downstairs. "Back to bed," yelled Ted. "Back to bed," yelled Fred. Ted jumped into the little bed upstairs, and Fred jumped into the big bed downstairs. Ted slept all day long in the cozy little bed, and Fred slept all day long in the cozy big bed. Well, that was easy to do. Big dogs need big beds. Little dogs need little beds. Why make big problems out of little problems? The end.